See, if you don't know what to do with your image, then just ask your image. It tells what to do with it and follow through. It's a best tip, right? Hello there, welcome back to InfinityPixel.in YouTube channel, and this is Taniru Satish, the presenter of InfinityPixel.in. Previously we have seen various options on interface after opening the Photoshop, and in this video we are gonna discuss about each and every tool in Photoshop CC 2019. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So now we're in interface and we just import a random image from my device. This one. See, this is how the canvas looks like in PSCC 2019. And we also have a bunch of tools here and there. Firstly, we'll start with layers. Here's all the layers will be, and we can add as many layers we really want. From here, we can also set the opacity of each layer and can even choose different blend modes. So now we'll see some important tools. Of course, each and every tool in Photoshop is important, but we use these tools often, and they are. This one here is the selection tool, and we have different types in it. Now coming to this. These are quick selection tools. With these we can select our subject quickly. And these are brush, paint and eraser tools. Coming to this, we can see stamp tool, healing brush tool, blur tool and even smudge tool. These are some tools, we'll talk about these later. They are not much required. And here are some more tools like crop, size, rotate, text, fill, gradient, etc. We'll explain each and every tool and their use while editing. And I promise, you will understand each and every tool and its use in my upcoming videos. So what you need to do is just subscribe to my channel and that's it. Don't forget to check the notifications on. Now back to topic. This is adjustment tool. Here we can adjust our image as we need. If you don't know what to do with your image, then just ask your image. It tells what to do with it and follow through. It's a best tip, right? Here this one is the effect tool. We can add various effects to our image and make it more and more realistic. This one here is the most important option in Photoshop, and that is undo. We literally can't do anything if this option is not provided. So a huge thanks to Adobe. Once we after finishing our edit, to save we'll hit on done, right? Our project will be saved to interface, and from there we'll save it to our device. That's it for the video. I hope you all like this video, and if you did, make sure give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and not just subscribe. Ring the bells that you my friend won't miss any of our further updates. This is Taniru Satish signing off, and as always remember that, let's create new.